Theprofessor LLC. The digital world is controlled by complex algorithms, which are simple step-by-step mathematical instructions. This statement may sound contradictory, but in reality, algorithms are simple computer commands executed in a sophisticated manner to solve complex problems and achieve desired results. Artificial intelligence is a culmination of various smart algorithms developed over the years. Algorithms can now process loads of data in real time and generate quick insights that can help in the decision-making process. As a result, we can automate cumbersome tasks to make our lives easier. However, these algorithms must be designed with a lot of common sense and finesse. Otherwise, they can yield weird and unexpected results. Within the last decade, AI has expanded enormously, and various algorithms and techniques have been developed. Each is targeted at solving a particular problem. In this two-part article, we are going to learn about a few fundamental AI, ML, and DL techniques. These techniques account for most of the state-of-the-art solutions developed in the field of AI. Let's begin.